Your wooden table is the heart of your home, but daily life is rough on it. Scratches, stains, and heat marks can make it look old fast. Think about it. Keys dropped on the surface, plates sliding across, hot coffee mugs, cold glasses sweating. Over time, that beautiful wood grain fades, cracks, and stains even more.
That's where furniture protection film, FPF, comes in. It's a clear, nearly invisible layer that bonds directly to your table. It acts like an invisible shield, protecting the wood from everyday damage while keeping the natural beauty fully visible. FPF is scratch resistant, so keys, pet claws, and dinnerware won't leave marks. It's waterproof, so spills from wine, juice, or water simply beat up and wipe away. It even resists heat marks from hot serving dishes and mugs. Plus, it blocks harmful UV rays that cause fading and cracking.
Best of all, it's crystal clear. Your table still looks like real wood, not wrapped in plastic. It's easy to clean, lasts for years, and when you're ready to remove it, it peels off without sticky residue or damage. Whether you have kids doing homework, pets walking across, or you just want to protect your investment, FPF keeps your wooden table looking brand new. It's far cheaper than refinishing or replacing, and it works on dining tables, coffee tables, and desks. So give your table the invisible armor it deserves. Subscribe for more smart home protection tips.